For centuries, humanity has gazed at the stars, dreaming of what lies beyond. Today, India is turning that dream into reality with the Gaganyaan mission, our first attempt to send Indian astronauts into space aboard an Indian spacecraft. This mission marks a new era, placing India among the elite nations capable of human spaceflight. The excitement is global, as Gaganyaan showcases India's scientific prowess and spirit of exploration. ISRO's brilliant minds have meticulously planned every detail, from the powerful rocket to the astronauts' home among the stars. And India isn't alone. Nations like Australia are stepping up, ensuring our astronauts are supported from Earth and beyond. Imagine 3 Indian explorers orbiting Earth, seeing our planet as a single beautiful blue marble. Their journey will inspire a new generation to dream big and reach for the stars. With global friends by our side, India is ready to write a bold new chapter in space exploration. What is Gaganyaan? Simply put, it's India's first crewed spaceflight. The goal: send 3 astronauts into low Earth orbit, 400 kilometers above us, for several days before a safe return. ISRO's LVM-3 rocket, nicknamed Bahubali, will launch the mission, carrying the Gaganyaan spacecraft. The spacecraft has 2 main parts: the crew module, a pressurized capsule where astronauts live and work, and the service module, which provides power and controls movement. Inside, life support systems provide oxygen, regulate temperature, and shield from radiation. Advanced communications keep the crew connected to mission control at all times. After orbiting Earth and conducting experiments, the crew module will re-enter the atmosphere, slow down with parachutes, and splash down in the Indian Ocean. Recovery teams will be ready to welcome our astronauts home as heroes. Every phase is planned and tested for safety and success. Astronaut safety is paramount in space. Gaganyaan's crew module acts as a fortress, shielding astronauts from radiation, extreme temperatures, and micrometeoroids. Life support systems maintain air, temperature, and humidity, creating a small piece of Earth in orbit. The crew escape system is ready to pull the capsule away instantly if there's trouble during launch, ensuring a safe landing. Constant communication with mission control is the astronauts' lifeline, allowing rapid response to any issue. No blackout periods are allowed. Every second, the crew stays connected to Earth. Every detail, from shielding to emergency systems, is designed for maximum safety. Gaganyaan's top priority: bring our astronauts home safe. As Gaganyaan orbits Earth, it sometimes passes beyond India's ground stations, creating a risky communication blackout. Australia steps in with a vital solution: a tracking station on the Cocos Islands, perfectly placed to bridge this gap. This station's powerful antenna relays data and voice communications back to ISRO, ensuring uninterrupted contact. It's a shining example of international teamwork. Australian agencies and companies working alongside ISRO. The Cocos Islands station is more than a convenience. It's a critical safety link, especially during emergencies. Australia's support even extends to crew recovery in case of an emergency landing in their waters. This partnership highlights deep trust and a shared commitment to safe, successful space exploration. Together, we're keeping our astronauts safe as they venture into the unknown. Gaganyaan, with Australia's support, proves the future of space lies in collaboration. No nation can conquer space alone. By sharing knowledge and resources, we achieve more together. India and Australia's partnership is a model for global cooperation, extending beyond Gaganyaan to future missions and satellite launches. Gaganyaan is just the beginning. India aims for a space station by 2035 and a moon mission by 2040. The experience and partnerships built now will fuel even greater achievements. As India takes its place among spacefaring nations, we do so as collaborators, not competitors. Our journeys may start within borders, but the spirit of exploration is universal. By reaching for the stars together, we build a brighter future for all humanity.